just before I show you the collection, obviously these are the spare pieces. Just obviously a couple of wheels, one Blackstone, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 other wheels. But yeah, and then that's the final page, the parts list, and that's it. Sweet. But yeah, so this can now join my collection. Look how many there are. I don't even know where to put this. I was gonna like slowly phase out, so I think the Koenigsegg is the most recent out of these ones. So kind of put these like that. You can go there, and then you can go there. So yeah, look how sick that is. And now I'm gonna try and find a place for these. I've got too many. I've got too many. And I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to come along. So yeah. Anyway, rare shot this. This has been Ashley Spencer with Jojo Tub and Scarlet27. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Check out our other videos, and bye.